Good morning, children. I hope you are all doing good. In this video, you are going to learn Science Unit 3 Nature's Bounty. Children, do you like story? Yes, you are all like story. Now I am going to tell a story about little girl Selvi. One day, Selvi went to a garden. She saw a yellow flower on the tomato plant. She went to pluck it. A bee came and said, "Please, leave it for me. It's my food." She saw a red tomato on the tomato plant. She went to pluck it. A parrot came and said, "Please, leave it for me. It's my food." She saw a green leaf on the tomato plant. A grasshopper came and said, "Please, don't pluck the leaf. It's my food." So she watered the plant. Selvi said, "You provide food for all of us. Thank you very much." Do you like this story very much, children? What do you learn from this story? Moral of the story is plants are the part of our environment and it gives us food to all of us. Let us go on a joyful journey into the world of plants. Plants are important for the planet and for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Living things need plants to live. They eat them and live in them. Plants are important to our habitat. Plants provide oxygen. Plants provide food. Plants are used in medicine. Plants give us building materials. Plants are used in our clothing. Plants provide fuel. Plants provide us with beauty and pleasure. Leaves. Leaves provide food and air to help a plant stay healthy and grow. Leaves produce food for the plant through a process is called photosynthesis. The leaves perform three major functions such as manufacture of food, interchange of gases between the atmosphere and the plant body, and evaporation of water. The leaf is the most important part of the plant. Plants have different kinds of leaves. They are various sizes, shapes, colors, and textures. Rounded, oval, heart shaped. Some leaves have sharp edges. Now you are going to learn name of some leaves which are around us. Banana. In Tamil it called as vaழை இலை. Mango. மா இலை. Drumstick. முருங்கை இலை. Neem. வேப்ப இலை. Coconut. தென்னை ஓலை. Basil. துளசி. Coriander. கொத்தமல்லி. Mint. புதினா. Curry leaves. கறிவேப்பிலை. Papaya. பப்பாளி. Children, now it's time for activity. Leaf rubbing. Things needed: paper, leaf, crayons. Collect the leaves of various shapes and sizes. Place a leaf with its bottom side facing up. Put a sheet of paper over the leaf. Rub the side of a crayon gently on the area over the leaf. As you do this, you will see the colored areas started to take the shape of leaf. Continue until you have rubbed over the entire leaf. Remove the leaf from the paper. This is the basic step for making leaf rubbing. Hope you are all enjoying this video. See you all in the next video. Thank you, children.